Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to tell you how to edit your photos in Photoscape X. So when you open the Photoscape X app, by the way, this is the PC version. So if when you open this app, you will see this kind of interface right here. You got all the tabs you can use, the viewer where you can view the photos and all that. So if you want to first import a photo, if you want to edit a photo, so first you have to select from where you want to the photo from. If you have downloaded in the download, saved it in the downloads, you gotta click on downloads and select from where. If you have saved it in pictures, you can do like that. So I have already gone into the Google folder and I've downloaded some images for this video purposes. For example, the easiest way is, there are multiple ways. The first way is you can just right click and there will be a list of options and you can just click on edit or like whatever you want to do with the image. The second most easy is the shortcut on the keyboard, which is Control plus written, and the easiest way is just click the folder, go on editor and just select the image. For we want this cake image, so yeah, you can just select this. So to get started with editing, first things first, you gotta play with the colors. So as you can see, this image is bright. We'll just darken it and it will darken the image. Then you can increase the vibrance and deepen the image. So yeah, that will do that. Then we can increase the contrast and the saturation, and we will increase the temperature, decrease the temperature, and decrease the tint. And yeah, that seems pretty good, and we'll click on apply. So if you have done a mistake and you want to go one step back, you can just click on undo. It will take you to the first step behind. If you want to redo that step, you can just click redo, and if you want to just delete all the filters that you added, just click on revert and it will get you back to the original image. And yeah, you can play with HDR. I don't prefer the HDR that the AI suggests. I suggest you to play with the options right here, because sometimes it does good, sometimes it just oversaturates and over contrast things. So yeah, we'll increase the temperature and the tint. So we'll click on apply. Then there is one more option, the color magic. Here what it does is it just makes all the colors poppier. So sometimes, as you can see, if this one is good or this one is good. Sometimes it does good, sometimes it does bad. It's with the image and the mood of the AI basically. Yeah. So from now you can this is the fun part. Here you can add like all the filters you would want to add to your photo. There is also a pro version of this application. Just click on this Photoscape X Pro version, it will go to the site. You just have to pay money and you can unlock a lot of films, filters, more lights, more everything. So to get started, first of all we will just apply this cross process. And yeah, there is also a quick menu option. You can just click and just do quick adjustments to your photo. I'm not going to show that because I am going to show that in the part 2. So if you want part 2, please consider subscribing, liking, yeah, and please do like and share the video. So then we have applied this. Then you can go to Douche Tone, and here where you can edit your portraits. You can just turn it black and white or black and white with a tint. or black and white with anything. Yeah, you can do that. If you want overlays here, this part is the game changer because you can add various textures that you want your image to speak out. For example, if I go in here and just select this one, editor, no, yeah, we'll just quickly do this. No, don't save the changes. Yeah, as you can see this, and I can just tell a story. Like, yeah, I wanted that, but it is a bit too bright. So you can just go in color and darken it so you can actually see what is happening in the image. So yeah, then we'll add a bit of a film. We'll just add the cinema, and it is a bit too bright. We will darken it and we'll click on apply. So yeah, if we want to compare it to the original, like, yeah, just click on compare original right here, and you can see the drastic effects of editing. Like, this was before, the photo was bland, it was bright, there was no story in the photo. But when you edit it, there is a different world in the photo. Like, this is one world and this is another world. So yeah. And if you want to add effects, like if you want light leaks, you can add that. Like this streak of yellow, I will add that. And you can also like adjust the, for example, this one again, you can adjust the amount, the scale, you can compare it how it was before, how it is after. Yeah, then you can add light leaks, lens flares, bokehs, and a lot of things. And I forgot to tell you one thing. Old photos, this is the thing where I like it the most. So if you have a photo of forts, like a fort, like an old fort, you can just click on this and click on apply, and it will give you a beautiful effect. But if I show you my all the edited photos, I've actually edited one. Just let it load. Or you, for example, this. If we just double click on it, you can see this is the Rajgarh fort from India. So you can see how drastic the difference is with, by adding the old photos. And if you want even more drastic, yeah, you can just click up, you can just do black and white, and yeah, that will do a great job of, yeah. So that is it for today. If this will be the part 1 of the beginner's guide. If you want the part 2, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and I'll see you around the next one.